this scholarship really made me decide to come here, because back in Korea, I'm from Korea, and back in Korea I really didn't have fun to come all the way here to study law, but because of this huge scholarship, I could actually come here to study law. So it really made me decide to come to CUA Law.
CUA Law was actually my first choice. It was the first application that I turned in and the first place that I heard back from. And very shortly after getting my acceptance, I heard about receiving the scholarship, which absolutely solidified my decision to go to Catholic. I, in fact, didn't continue to apply to other schools because I was so excited to be able to attend Catholic University.
Professor Lipton, who's the director of the Securities program, has been great to me ever since my 1L year when I went to go talk with him about my interest. He's taken very good interest in me, and he was obviously bestowed upon me the scholarship, and he was my expert reader for my law review notes. So he's just always there for me and always someone I can go and talk to, and he's just been a great help.
Professor Lou Barricato has impacted my experience here. He was not only my professor, but my coach for the mock trial team. And because of his guidance, we were able to win a national trial competition this year.
Thank you. I want to do nonprofit work. I was living in New York City for a few years, following my undergraduate degree, and then later lived in West Africa for a year. I've never made as much money in 1 year as they've given me to go to school per year. So thank you. It's made a really, really big difference in my life.
Thank you. This has been a blessing. Hopefully I can get to a point one day where I could take their place to start helping students in the Evening and Day program as well.
Absolutely, without a doubt. When you're the recipient of someone's extreme generosity, their hard work, their earnings, of course you want to imitate that in your own life, and inshallah I will.
I have noted the immense support from the alumni community here at Catholic and hope to carry on that tradition well into the future.
I hope someday that I'm in the position where I can give the type of generosity that the Morelands and others have given to help, again, the next generation of young attorneys be able to accomplish the great task of completing law school without having to worry about finances as much.
Giving back to CUA Law is an incredibly important part of my future plan. I have benefited immensely from having a scholarship, and seeing the commitment of the alumni, the faculty and staff here to their students definitely encourages me to continue that tradition well into the future.